On a more somber note, veteran journalist Donald Oliver was laid to rest on Saturday following a memorial service at the Uwimona Chapel in St. Andrew. Donald Oliver was remembered by colleagues and government ministers as a gifted journalist who also helped to guide the younger generation.
He demonstrated journalistic skills in sports writing, in sportscasting, and in producing, which earned him the respect of his viewers and listeners, the admiration of his colleagues, and several awards.
I would like to announce that on behalf of our Sportsmax family, and yes, Sportsmax has been put to death, but so has Donald, allows. On an annual basis, we as his family will be awarding one bursary each academic year to an aspiring young journalist from Karimak.
Donald Oliver served the media profession for 22 years and worked at various media houses, including TVJ, CVM, Sportsmax, and the Jamaica Observer. He passed away on December 30 at the age of 40 after a brief medical emergency.